Hi, welcome to the lesson. We're reviewing grade 4 writing, prepositions and prepositional phrases. And this is part 2 of the work for today. Again, we're in part 1, you have the journal entry, which you can make your own entry or you can use the prompt that they give you. But I encourage you to make your own journal entry and use that as a time to write about how things are going for you. In terms of the writing activity, we're discussing prepositions and prepositional phrases. And a preposition is a word that shows a relationship between two things. And a lot of times it's dealing with locations. The rule of thumb that a lot of people use is for a preposition is anywhere a cat can go. So a cat can go over the couch, under the couch, around the couch, over, under, around, on top of, behind. Because oftentimes prepositions show you where something is, but that's a little bit incomplete because prepositions show where, but they can show how, when, or what kind. So they went outside after lunch. The preposition is after. They sat under the oak tree. That's showing you where. It was a good spot for a tree house. So what kind of spot? Lila showed Micah a book about tree houses. So about, another what kind. And then they could build a tree house by themselves, how they could build it. So that's the preposition. Now, a prepositional phrase includes a noun or pronoun that's called the object of the preposition. And I'm going to adjust my settings a little bit. So there's going to be the object of the preposition. So there's going to be some noun or pronoun that the preposition is talking about. So it's showing a relationship between that noun or pronoun and the rest of the sentence. So for example, they went outside after lunch. It shows when Micah and Lily went outside. So if we look at some of the examples, we're going to be circling the preposition, or underlining the prepositional phrase and circle the preposition. So I will be highlighting it. The tall oak tree was behind the house. So behind, and that shows us where the tall oak tree was. And behind is the preposition. Behind the house is the phrase. Micah and Lily would build their tree house in its branches. It shows where they're going to build the tree house, in the branches. And that's our phrase. Okay, I can use this to circle. So in its branches. During dinner, they discussed different ideas. So they discussed different ideas is your main sentence. During dinner tells you when they did it. And that shows you a case where the prepositional phrase comes at the beginning of the sentence. So during tells you when. So that's your preposition. During dinner is the full phrase. Should we draw our plans after school? Micah asked. So should we draw our plans is a full sentence. After school tells you when Mike is asking if they should draw their plan. So after is the preposition, after school is the prepositional phrase. So go ahead and fill in the next two on your own, see what you can come up with, and then take a look at the questions on the next page. If you need any help, or if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me or to your homeroom teacher. And thank you for coming to the lesson.